You get me? All right. Good shit. Good sneakiness, you. Oh shit. They're pushing this right side over here, down the long hallway. Over here, bottom floor.
Oh, hit. Good shot.
Let's go, Keegan. Come on. There's a riot shield guy over here too. We better off pushing inside, actually.
You guys are protecting us.
You got a gun.
Let's go. Why are you sitting in the back, you big pussies? Fuck.
I've already been hit like 4 times.
So to get to that hallway, we gotta go around this wall. Which is a... You moving?
Guys go here, then there's...
Alright, I'm moving.
Yeah.
Drive field.
Hit.
Hit! There's 2 guys pushing us right now. Alright, these guys aren't even supposed to be this close.
Head of the guy. Straight across that bottom left side. Bottom floor left side. Watch your left when you walk up there.
The guy in that up.
Yeah, I know. I got him. Hey, let's all push left. Let's all push left hard. Let's go, let's go.
Just you and I.
Come here, on me. Watch this spool in front of me. They like to sit behind that. All right, keep moving up. Top. I got a guy in this hallway. Can you get to me? Can you get to me? There's a guy down this hall. You just gotta cross quick. Just fire when you cross.
Over.
Watch up high over there.
Yeah, that's where it's.
I see him up there. On me, on me. Ah, fuck, I took my head off. He's across. Cross it! Let's go, Timmy. Let's go.
Hey, straight down this hallway.
Yep.
Watching.
Can someone get eyes on that ramp up there?
I got the ramp.
You got the ramp? Let's go, Tim. On me. On my ass. You cover the bushes left. Don't peek in this hallway.
Dead.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, I got shanked.
Dead man.
Good hit. You got me. Crossing with a hit.
on, Vince. John hit like 3 times in the helmet and knocked it into it.
Push that right.
Straight up, straight up.
This way, this way. What? No, no blind fire. You ready?
What?
Peek around and give me cover. Just keep your barrel pointed down there. Alright. Point your barrel in case anyone points up. Huh? I know, I need you to point the whole time. So when I move up, alright? I'm moving up. Don't shoot me in the ass. Green, green. Green behind you. Green behind you. So. Watch this window, get in that corner there. On me, on me. Here. Hey, peek your gun out that window right there. Here, here, here. Stay here. Look, like this, Jake, look. Cover this guy. All right, cover him. Keep your gun up. Don't shoot me in the head. Point on a little bit more. Stand on this wall and point this way. All right, he's got this. We're moving.